Some motherfuckers are never happy. In 2022, we revolutionized boxers with tri-pouch and sold out, not twice, but 3 times. Then we revolutionized boxers again and made them cooling with Sub-Zero. You guys loved it, except for a few trolls who kept saying the same thing. Why isn't it cotton? I only wear cotton. Give us a... You think it's that easy? You think we can just make Subs boxers in cotton, but not just any cotton, the most premium PIMA cotton on earth?
Here's supermodel Emma Taylor in a bubble bath to explain.
Grown in small batches, PIMA produces extra long staple fibers that are 1.5 to 2 inches longer than traditional cotton. That's a pretty big difference in the boxer region. Longer fibers make smoother, softer fabric that resists pilling, fraying, and breakage. Meaning it lasts longer and feels better.
And yeah, still built with everything that made Subs iconic. The sculpted fit, the tri-pouch with BallWalls, silicone leg grips, and double fly. PIMA isn't just cotton. It's the top 1% of organic cotton produced. Stronger, softer, less shrinkage and pilling. You asked for cotton, we over-delivered. Subs in PIMA. Only on Kickstarter.